Alright, what's up guys? Ben from Retroformance here with a quick build update vlog. We got a lot of stuff going on right now, hence why we haven't turned out any build videos in a while. We've been trying to keep up with some of the machining work that's come in. We got a lot of little projects going on. We got Josh down here, the muscle, breaking up some stuff, throwing it in the dumpster from our Travco build, which we haven't really shot any videos on yet, but we were cleaning that out. This beauty right here. He's breaking some stuff up, trying to get it in the dumpster, get it out of here. All right, here's the Rambler, kind of sitting while we got the front suspension mocked up on the welding table right now. We know what we have to do. We've been planning out where the dimensions got to change and what we got to do to modify it to get it to work, but been a little busy with the other stuff. So let's head in the shop and see what's going on in there. All right, so right now, my dad is working on something for the church. We're actually rebuilding what looks like the mounting brackets for the bells that ring the church bells, I guess. So, all new ancient nuts, bolts, everything. And then we got Matt. Matt, what are you doing over here?
I'm just printing something for a job here.
So we got Matt working on his 3D printer, getting that dialed in so he can do some printing for a job he's doing, as well as some other grinding. So that's been taking up most of his time. And then my stuff. Woo! All right, so Husky is looking good. We have the frame and some of the big components all powder coated and kind of started to be assembled here. I got the motor apart on the bench. And actually the gasket kit came in from the UK today, so that's pretty exciting. We are going to maybe put the bottom end together today. That might be my job, I don't know. But we're gonna get you some videos on that. And then, yeah, Rambler's kind of on hold at the moment, but we're looking to get back to that this week and start assembling the motor on the Husky build. We got a new coffee pot, that's exciting. Keeps us going here. Looks cool, you know. But yeah, we're pretty busy here, so sorry about the delay in the videos, but we're gonna keep at it this week.